courtroom sketches, Mar-a-Lago footage, headlines flashing trial date set, legal clash before election, Trump's October court shutdown and showdown. In a stunning legal and political coalition, Donald Trump's classified documents trial has officially been scheduled for October 2025, just weeks before Election Day. The trial date sets the stage for an unprecedented moment in U.S. history. A former president and the presumed Republican nominee facing criminal charge in federal court while simultaneously campaigning for a return to the White House. DOJ seal boxes of documents and aerial shots of a Mar-a-Lago. At the heart of the cases, Trump's alleged mishandling of classified materials after leaving office in 2021. According to the Justice Department, Trump stored highly sensitive documents at his Mar-a-Lago estate, including national security files, and then allegedly obstruct efforts to retrieve them. News clip that this case is about the lawful retention and concealment of classified national defense information. Trump faces over 30 felony counts, including willful retention of national defense information and obstruction of justice, charges that could carry significant prison time if convicted. Trump is speaking at rallies, waving to clouds. But Trump, as well as, is fighting back, calling the case a political witch hunt orchestrated by the Biden administration and weaponized federal agencies. Trump rally clips say that they want to stop our movement, they want to silence the American people, but we will never back down. His legal team has pushed to delay the trial until after the re-election, arguing that holding it in October could interfere with voters' rights, but the judge rejected those motions, saying the case is in the public interest to resolve promptly. Case dates: trial October 17, 2025, election November 4, 2025. The timing is extraordinary. Jury selection is expected to begin just a month before Americans head to the polls. That means exclusive courtroom testimony could play out in real time as Trump delivers campaign speeches on the trial. Legal analysts say the trial could reshape the election. Legal experts say that if Trump is convicted before the election, it would be legally historic, but politically it's charted territory. Biden's decisions to drop out, Kamala Harris is speaking. The trial also comes at the Democratic field scrambles after President Biden's decision to drop out the race, with Kamala Harris and other top contenders stepping forward. The legal spotlight on Trump could become a central theme of the campaign. Meanwhile, Republican leaders remain mostly united behind Trump, despite or perhaps because of his legal battles. For many GOP voters, the charges have only strengthened his support. GOP primary rallies, supporters waving Trump flags. So, what happens if Trump is convicted before the election? Legal analysts say that there is nothing in the constitution that prevents a convicted felon from running or even serving as president. So, what happens if Trump is convicted before the election? Legal analysts say that there is nothing in the constitution that prevents a convicted felon from running or even serving as president. In other words, even a guilty verdict would not necessarily from Trump's campaign, but it could change the political calculus, especially among independents and undecided voters. Courthouses, campaign events, headlines flashing, Trump's on trial, democracy at a crossroads, America decided. With courtrooms and campaign stages colliding, America is entering a chapter no one has seen before. The next president could be decided not just at the ballot box but in a federal courtroom. The countdown to October 7 has begun. Trump on trial. Subscribe for full coverage as the legal and political drama unfolds.